Good evening, this is Sue Scheets, and I'm here to show you another technique you can use with your Brusho. Tonight the technique is to use Brusho in an embossing folder. So this is Petal Burst embossing folder, and the first thing you're going to do is take your Brusho, and it really doesn't matter which side you put it on. I'm going to put it on this side this time because I used the other last. And you're just going to tap your Brusho in different spots. I'm using blue and yellow and green because I want kind of a foresty type look, a nature that I can maybe put a flower on. Here's the yellow. The last time I used the yellow, it didn't come out well, and yellow is very hard to see on the video. So I just took my piercing tool and poked the holes a little bit more. And here's some of the green. Just take it and scatter it around. And when I feel like I have enough, then I'm going to take a spritzer. And once again, I find where the hole is, and then I try to put it 90 degrees away from me. And then I'm going to spritz this until the water hits the Brusho. It will start to spread it a little bit. And I don't want to overdo it. I think I kind of like that. Then you're going to take a piece of paper and lay it on your Brusho side. Fold your embossing folder in half and then run it through the Big Shot. So taking one of the layers on top, rolling it through, and then open up the embossing folder, and you can see it's embossed and that a lot of the color went down in between the shapes because of the side that I put my Brusho on. I'm going to move this out of the way. But I think this makes a really nice background. Notice how I've got like a bluish green and some green over here and a little bit of specks of yellow. Here's one I did earlier where I did the opposite side, and so you can see that it's dented, and then most of the Brusho then got down into the dents. So it's a totally different look using whichever side of your embossing folder you wanted to use. So, and then here is a card that I made using this technique. So this is the background, and then I thought the daisy punch looked really nice contrast and brought this yellow out from the corners. So that's how you can use Brusho on an embossing folder and get a totally different look. Come back next week and I'm going to show you how to use Brusho on bubble wrap. Happy stamping!